Hello dear students, welcome everybody. In this video I am going to talk about BBA second semester English subject course. Here I am going to talk about the nature of the course, about the course details, contents, along with its objectives there. So don't forget to share, like and subscribe this. That always make me motivate such kind of to make such kind of video in the days to come. No need to delay. Watch the video till the end. Now here BBA second semester under Tiruvana University, students have to learn this subject as a business English here. This course aim is to make the student strengthen ability to use English language for professional purpose. Here in this course, there is a oral and written communication skill through a study of essays and short stories and short plays of the renowned authors there. Students have to learn this. So now let's discuss about the detailed course of this subject, business English, that belongs to BBA second semester here. Uh, there are some units. The first unit is about poems here. So under the poems, students have to learn about the loneliness of the long distance runner, metaphors, my papa's waltz, 8 o'clock, ballad of the landlords 3. Students have to learn these 5 poems there. Then unit second is about short story. Under the short story, students have to learn the Buddha, the hitchhiker, the lottery. 3 short stories are there. Then unit third is about short drama there. Under the short drama, students have to learn 2 drama there. Sorry, wrong number. And next one is Tandalika. Then unit 4 is about essay reading there. Essay, under the essay, students have to learn about a most forgiving app, girlhood among ghosts, the death of the moth, we are all scientists. These are the essays to be learned. Then unit 5 is about technical writing. So in technical writing, there is a chapter 5 memo writing there, and chapter 6 about letter writing, and chapter 7 is about job search there. The next chapter is about report writing. Then the next chapter is about report writing, and the last one is a resource there. Then unit 6 is about daily English newspaper. Here students have to learn about the newspaper, English newspaper there. So students have to learn unit 6 in BBA second semester. And the pattern of the question that has been asked in the examination, that is comprehension will be there. That is 8 marks and 4 levels from any topic. That is 12 marks there, and short answer question twice there are 25 marks there. And technical writing, that is 15 marks there. Altogether full marks will be 60 there. Well, that is all about BBA second semester English subject. I hope everybody will understand the content here, the course content that I have just now delivered here. Finally, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Hope to meet you all in the next interesting lesson with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.